looking at making some changes in the galley. One of the areas that we want to look at is just quite simple, but the splashback at the back of the sink is not really adequate. It's MDF or fibre board, and it's been wet and it's starting to crumble. And also we want to try to increase the storage. So from the original fitment of it's latted MDF, which is starting, it's a problem to clean across this splashback. I'm going to replace that with gloss grey perspex. So we'll take all the MDF away and replace it with perspex. But here, this section here, so that's not to scale, it's just a rough sketch to show an appreciation. This will be about 500 millimeters. Then we'll have about 500 millimeters there and another 500 at that side. We're going to put an opening door, so that'll be an up and over door with gas rams to hold it up, and that will give us access behind this, which is there's a shelf there, and there's actually space behind here. We'll put probably a solid partition in round about here and one across that side, and that will give us a little bit more storage below there. Well, we've also got this side here, that's again slatted MDF, which slides and rolls back, so that's a crockery cupboard, but underneath there's space under here, so again we're going to use the same perspex and put another up and over door to allow us space into there, which is currently unused, and again give us that bit more storage. So now it's working the galley. What we're going to do is eventually change this backboard and swap this out. What I'm going to do today is just take some measurements, cut a hole in there, so we're going to make that an up and over door, and this will all be covered in a gloss grey perspex, including the up and over door, and the socket will be sunk back to the grey perspex, and we've got a much better looking socket than that to put on. So we'll start and we'll do some measurements. The perspex we've got is 500mm wide, and this is just short of 1.5 meters, so we'll do it all nicely in sort of 500 sections. So the first thing is we're going to keep the wooden frame, so we'll keep an element of the old with the new, and the new up and over door is going to be fall just about here. So if I cut this at sort of 495, 490, we'll make that 490, then I've got a little bit of leeway, and then we'll do another one at 500 for the doorway. So cut down that edge to start with. Sharpies run out. Don't know what we do without these things. They're fantastic. These, apart from run out battery. That's full.
Okay.
Alright, not quite as...
What I thought.
Got more room that way. That way. Is it worth making that into a cupboard or not?